Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate print marketing with Vistaprint, full guide step by step clearly. To begin automating your print marketing with Vistaprint, create an account on their website. Visit the Vistaprint homepage and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required details, including your email address and a secure password. Once your account is created, log in to access your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the site layout. Navigate to the Marketing Materials section. Choose the type of print product you want to automate. Options include business cards, flyers, and brochures. Select the specific product you are interested in. Customize your design using Vistaprint's templates or upload your own design. Use the design tools to adjust text, images, and colors as needed. After finalizing your design, proceed to the order page. Here, set up the quantity and any additional options you may require. Once your order is configured, check the box for Set up recurring orders if available. This option allows you to automate future orders for this product. Complete the payment process using your preferred payment method. Review your order confirmation to ensure everything is correct. To manage your recurring orders, go to your account settings. Locate the Recurring Orders tab in the menu. Here, you can edit, pause, or cancel any active subscriptions. Keep track of your print marketing inventory regularly to stay organized. Consider utilizing Vistaprint's email marketing services to complement your print efforts. Link your email campaigns with your print marketing for a cohesive strategy. Schedule regular reviews of your marketing materials to keep them up to date. Set reminders for when to review your recurring orders to avoid excess inventory. By following these steps, you'll streamline your print marketing efforts with Vistaprint. This automation will save you time and enhance your marketing consistency. Integrate your online and offline marketing strategies for better overall results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.